Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to convert Webpage to PDF on Samsung Internet. Now let's say I want to convert this particular webpage to PDF. What do? Click on the three horizontal line. Before you press down on the article like this, so that this will show at the bottom here, or you can just move it up and down until it shows. I can just pull down a lot and to show at the bottom. Then click on the three lines, horizontal lines at the bottom. There you can see print PDF. So before you can do it, let's see if you can request desktop mode first. Then you can now say print PDF. So you can now prepare your preview, and then you can see the PDF. Then you can now click on PDF. And then you can save it to where you want to save it. You choose where you want to save it, you click on save. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not